In this review, we will be discussing in detail some of the best action camera available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best action camera, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying guide present top 5 best action camera. Let's get started.
Product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 1. GoPro Hero 9 Black. GoPro's latest flagship is the most versatile action camera ever made. It's also one of the few that's capable of shooting 5K video, courtesy of a new 23.MP sensor that captures excellent detail. Like the DJI Osmo Action, it features an additional color display on the front for easy framing. While a bigger battery improves longevity, as you had expect from GoPro, it's also properly rugged and smart to boot, with fresh software tricks such as hindsight, which lets you capture action that happened 15-30 seconds before you hit the shutter. The Hero 9 Black is also the first GoPro to offer Hyper Smooth Boost GoPro's strongest stabilizations in all modes. Issues with auto exposures and touchscreen responsiveness have now been pretty much resolved. Other models might represent a better value if you have specific shooting requirements, but for a capable all-rounder that's clever and accessible, the Hero 9 Black is the complete package. Number 2. Insta 360 1R 1-inch edition. Already a proven rival to GoPro's Hero series, the modular Insta 360 1R is now available with a sizable 1-inch sensor that gives it low light abilities which are brighter, cleaner and more detailed than the GoPro Hero 9 Black, as well as a native dynamic range better than any other action camera. Raw stills are impressive while videos are sharp and punchy in both 5.23K 25p and 4K 60p modes. That said, GoPro's processing powers are more effective overall, with view from the Insta 360 1R suffering from shimmer and fizz in detailed areas. The 1R also lacks the point-and-shoot simplicity of a GoPro with more sluggish software when it comes to exploring. All the same, the Insta 360 1R produces some of the best stills and video you can get from an action camera. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action. DJI might be better known for its class-leading drones, but the Osmo Action is a compelling GoPro alternative with some nifty tricks and a tempting price tag. The front display and general user-friendliness mean it trumps the Hero 8 Black for vloggers who like to shoot a lot to camera. While the video quality is right up there with the best 4K action cams, the image stabilization known as rock steady might not be quite up to GoPro's Hyper Smooth, but it's not far from. And the Osmo Action does also offer handy extras like a removable battery and lens cover. Number 4. AKASO Brave Savalli. The Brave Savalli offers an incredible range of features for its price. If a front-facing screen and weather sealing are more important to you than outright video quality, then it should certainly be high on your shortlist. In our test, his model's audio quality was better than any other Nun. GoPro we have reviewed, and it has a fantastically intuitive touchscreen interface. The only slight drawback is that the video quality, while decent at 4K resolution, does not quite match the result of the Brave several these features. It leans heavily no noise reduction in lower light, giving your footage a soft quality, while the electronic image stabilization is decent rather than class-leading still for the price, but undoubtedly one of the best action cams out there, and unrivaled in terms of the amount of features it packs in for the price. Number 5. Insta 360 Go 2. The Insta 360 Go 2 is a truly tiny cam that's designed for quick and easy recording. Despite its dinky build, the Go 2 can capture excellent 1440p video at 50 fps with good detail and decent dynamic range. Its image stabilization skills are not matched for the GoPro Hero 9 Black, but the Go 2's flow states smarts can still smooth out walking motion reasonably well. Probably the biggest upgrade over the original Instant 360 Go is the updated charging case. Buttons and a mini mode screen transform the user experience, allowing you to deploy the case as a remote control. It can also significantly boost battery life and double up as a tripod for easy self-shooting. At 4-meter waterproofing to the spec sheet, and while it might not represent total innovation, the Go 2 shapes up as a versatile, accessible and properly portable action camera.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.